Okay, so currently we have let me see. Markets are looking pretty clear this morning. I see nothing but bullishness for this morning, nothing but higher prices, or an attempt to reach higher prices. So we have high impact news at 10 a.m. with NFP taking price higher at 8:30, leaving behind all these lows right here. We got equal lows here, and then we got the low of the day, which barely took Asia's low. So that's a area we need to watch out for. Okay. Equities open is in just a couple of seconds. Let's see how news is looking like, or the correlation is looking like. It's pretty interesting how price is just creating all-time highs today, just higher and higher and higher. Okay. As of right now, there's really nothing so obvious to enter. But as everybody's reaching for highs and staying above, and including the Dow Jones, when in actuality the Dow Jones is missing a very important area here. Everybody has already taken. So let's see if we want to continue in Dow Jones. Alright, okay. We're pushing higher there. So let's see how we continue from here. Well, alright, we're gonna have this 930 gap over here marked up. See how price trades around it. See how price reacts once it retraces back into it. We have the 5-minute candlestick about to close. Okay. Let's take a look at the 1 minute here. You know what, let's move this back to the lower right corner because let's see if we can make it bigger. Is that possible? Symbol. Oh, let me just keep it at large. We have normal, large. We'll keep it at large. Okay. The new 5-minute candlestick just opened. Beautiful. Okay, depending how it closes, I will be entering on this order block here to take it higher. $9.74 buy limit. Yep. This wick just got violated, validating this as an order block down here. So, and because I'm not sure how much more movement we can have in price, we'll keep targets at 30 points, just a little bit above 23,000. Let's go. We're all pushing higher. We got the 1 minute here. Pushing higher. Okay. Alright, we're in for this trade. Can we get continuation on this 5-minute candlestick here? Can we get some continuation? It doesn't seem like it for now, but let's see. We shall see. And as soon as price can give me a break of this high, I'm putting stops at 50% risk. Beautiful. Closing above that order block is gorgeous. Wonderful indication. But it does not mean anything at all. Price can still continue down lower. And we have this here. Little mini fair value gap here. During this microstructure. Oh, and we get stopped out for 10 points right there. Alright, let's see how price continues to trade. We are down so far 10 points. Not sure how I would grade that entry, but we're definitely destined to continue higher. Let's see how price reacts down here. If we could get equilibrium here, let me see. Yeah, we will continue higher. definitely looks. We got everybody making higher highs, and Nasdaq is starting to take this high over here. Everybody is already creating higher highs. Nasdaq is the only one taking sell side liquidity right here. Although it's very small, it's still liquidity to note. So 953 buy limit. We're already down 10 points, and 23,000 is going to be, wow, okay. We'll go with 50 points right there. It's just 3 points above 23,000. Hopefully price doesn't give us a full inversion here. That would not be ideal for us. Let's see how Dow Jones is looking. Alright, we're aiming for higher prices. Let's go. We just took the high of the week on the Dow Jones. And the 15-minute is looking horrible. Wow. We're about to get stopped out again. Hopefully not. Wow, there's no way. Come on. Speak to me nice. Speak to me nice. Or speak nice to me. We'll be down 25 points if this hits. Alright, and here we go. We're down 25 points. We got waked out of it. It happens. It comes with trading, you know. We get good trade setups, and then we don't. But I would say this was definitely, I'm not sure if it was forced, because I really didn't wait for any type of confirmations whatsoever. Price was just falling. Didn't wait for it. Okay. Alright, we got the 930 low right here. See how price reacts to that. We mark it up our sell side liquidity. We're only down 25 points. I'm willing to go another 10 points before ending the day. So our next setup needs to be a good setup. All right. We got that 15-minute strongly rejecting, strongly falling. We're still trading higher, still trading above the news fair value gap. And although price has a strong momentum to the upside, there's a good chance that we can get Asia's low. We either end the day at 25 points drawdown or we come back. But I am expecting to end the day at 25 points drawdown, which is okay. It is okay. Can we close above? All right. This is gorgeous, beautiful. Filled in the entire gap. Can we get an inversion after filling in the gap? Price action is telling me it wants to go lower, but we have yet to close underneath this 930 gap. So as of right now, we're just waiting. We're just waiting. We have all of this here to worry about. Most importantly, if price can close above here, we can look for a continuation to the upside. Let's see the 15-minute. We're closing up higher. Oh yeah, let me point out the areas in which we lost. Yeah, let me go ahead and do that. So this stays here. And we got this here, 953. Closing above this will be wonderful. We will be hopping back on for an entry. We created equal lows here. Price can come back to it later. We have yet to, actually, we did do this here. Okay, wonderful. Buy limit 260. 960, sorry, 22,960. Yes, sir, 22,960 buy limit. All right, price is in. We are in. Okay, let's see what 10 points looks like. All right, we're in for 10 points. Draw down here on this one. Yeah, we're gonna stop that on this one. Ooh. Okay, we have 35 points drawdown here. 35 points. All right. Hopping back in at 960 and price is there. Okay, beautiful. Wow, all these tries. To be honest, I didn't have good sleep, so I'm just trying to play as safe as possible and not let price go too far before stopping me out. So all these unnecessary losses, but that's okay though. It's okay. We'll be up 15 points on this one. We're only down 35 points, which is not that bad. It's not that bad. It's not enough to blow an account. It's not enough. Well, unless you're over leveraging, then yes, that's enough to blow an account, guys. So don't do that. Don't blow your accounts, please. But yeah, so stops currently at break even. Wow. Today's performance is not the greatest, but better days are to come. More chances for me to showcase my skill set, showcase my real performance. Today is not a good representation of that, but that's okay though. It happens. Stops at break even. And a minute is changing state of delivery would not be ideal if you want price to continue higher. Beautiful, gorgeous. The low of that candlestick. Wow, a quarter of a point away. That's insane. A quarter of a point away from the stop loss. That's insane. We got the 5 minute about to close. And can we close higher? At least above these bodies. That would at least be better. How much higher can price go? I am not sure. There's no telling how high price can go, but yeah, there's really no telling how high price can go. I haven't used standard deviation in a while, but let's just take a look. Let's see. Let's see what standard deviation tells me. And I believe it works like this. So we get the, yeah, let me see. Man, standard deviation is the only way that can more or less project how far we'll go. So let's see. We will get a 1. Where's that 1 at? Okay. -1. Where's -1? Oh, yeah, that's way too far. We'll do -0.5. That's better. -0.5. Okay, so standard deviation tells me that price can go as high as 50, 23.50. And we got stopped out break even here. All right, took 3 trades today. Ay, ay, ay. Wow, are you kidding me? There's no way. Oh no, that's insane. Wait, hold up. Did it hit my TP of that setup that we're not in currently? Bummer. All right, let's see here. Okay, buy limit 83. 983 buy limit. Wow, that's crazy. Price did not tag us in. How wonderful. All right. We'll go for 70 points here. Beautiful, beautiful. Stops at break even as soon as this high gets violated. We're at a macro, so we're up 68 points from yesterday, so crazy, crazy. Look at all these. Oh my god. Does not look good at all. And of course we could have said, oh, price could have came down to here. We could have used this as an entry. But, you know, as crazy as price is moving today, I wasn't expecting for it to retrace as low. I'm expecting straight continuation. Maybe it's the way I approached the markets today. The way I approached the markets today caused me to enter too early, put my stops too short. But that's okay. That is okay. This is only day 2, and I have the rest of the year to showcase my performance. Better days are to come, most definitely. Better days are to come. High impact news in 5 minutes. Let's go. We're continuing to go for highs. Breaking highs. Pushing higher. We're all pushing higher. Let's go. Let's see. Previous year's high got taken here. The Dow Jones still has previous year's high untapped. Who knows? Who knows how far the markets can go this morning? Who freaking knows? 'Cause I don't know. I don't know. Does it look like I know? I don't know. I really don't know. There's no telling how high the markets can go this morning. It could go an extra 100 points. I do not know. But it is looking like a beautiful morning. Let's go. Let's freaking go. Okay. Alright, stops at break even on this trade setup. And let's see here. Since NASDAQ is the only one eager to drop dramatically, show a strong retracement, we could be stopping this one out early. High impact news at 10 a.m. can drop price again. Break us out, break even when we could have just taken some profits. Let's see how this looks here. That's 30 points. Can we see continuation without getting stopped out of break even? Let's see. And what type of news is that again at 10 a.m.? Let's look at it here. Yeah. All right. Okay, ISM. That should be strong enough to push price higher. It should be strong enough. Two more minutes until high impact news. Oh lordy. Let's see. Let's see how this goes. We have, what is that? 20 here, 30 here, 5 here, 35 points right here. This would be 35 points. All right. We could end the day at break even. I mean, end the week at break even. Because there's a good chance that price may want to come back down, tap into this 930 gap, and continue higher. But in the midst of doing that, it will stop us out break even. And for price to just drop, wick to here, strong rejection and a continuation, that would be crazy to experience. But let's see. Let's see what we have here. We have 20 more seconds. 20 more seconds. Oh no. Let's go. Push higher, baby. Give me that. Give me that half a point deviation. That negative 0.5 deviation. Let's go. Give me that. 53, 2353. 23,000 is already being met. Let's go. Let's go. Can we push higher? Can we push higher? Let's see how everybody's doing. Okay. Uh-oh. Nasdaq is the only one taking here. Can we get everybody to push higher? Let's go, baby. Let's look at that hourly candlestick. Let's see how that closed. Wow, closed beautifully. Come on. Let's go. All right, we're not too far off over here to the previous year's high. I mean, yeah, we are pretty far. All right. Wow. Can we make it? Can we make it to 2350? Half 100 points from 23,000. We're looking beautiful. We're looking beautiful to the upside. Hey man, you know, could have been a better day. Really could have been. Really could have been a better day. I remember telling myself too, can we get an inversion? And we did. Imagine we would have hopped in here on that inversion. Wow, how much bigger of a trade we would have caught. But that's okay though. We're not always going to catch beautiful trades. I mean, I'm not trying to say anything, but I'm always catching beautiful trades. But today was not that day. I guess I was just nervous because this is my first time displaying my performance on a NFP. But that's okay. Wow, look at that. We could have aimed for 100 points today. Crazy, but hey, it happens, you know. It's okay. We're not always going to catch those trades. There we go. You're almost there. Let's go. Let's go. Give me a good day. Can't believe I tried this many times to come higher. That's crazy. That's insane. You know, I'm not gonna lie. An extra 30 points, guys. An extra 30 points. Can we do that? You think we can do that? You think we can do 100 points on this trade right here? Nah. Let's see how 5-minute closes. Let's see how that. Ooh. Oh my God. There's no way we don't go 100 points. Oh no, we can still catch 100 points. There's no way that we don't. There's no way that we don't. There's no way that we don't. There's absolutely no way that we don't catch 100 points. Nah. Let's keep it safe. Let's keep things safe. We're going for 70 points on this trade, and that's that. It's okay. Let's not be greedy. That's fine. We could be greedy another day. Today's not the day to be greedy. All right, stops at 10 points. So today, no matter what, we're going to be ending the day at, I mean, I could wait to see how the 30-minute candlestick closes, but We risk that 30-minute candlestick rejecting strongly. But if we can close high, if this 30-minute candlestick can close somewhere up here, we could possibly reach 23,100. There's a good chance of that. There's a good chance of that. But 70 points is enough. On this trade after taking losses, yeah, no. Yeah. 70 points is okay. Another day profitable on the stream. Let's go. We're on a streak right now. My YouTube streak is 2 days. 2 days YouTube streak. Let's go. Let's go. We took unnecessary losses, but that's okay. I'm still building up my nervousness from trading live and showcasing. Hey, but directional bias is there. Execution is there. I mean, on this last setup, come on. Look at that. Beautiful. But today was definitely a great day. We won back our losses in one session. Let's go. Come on, there's no way price doesn't continue to our TP, guys. Let's go. We're 7 points away, baby. Let's go. Price is definitely going for it. Give it to me, baby. Come on. Give me that. Give me that. Give me that. Well, this is the only time I ever use standard deviation to calculate how far I want to take price. It's when there's literally nothing else to target. Nothing else to target, guys. We're at all-time highs. Standard deviation is the best form of measurement for me to see how far I want to take price. So we have here an immediate rebalance. Beautiful. We should be seeing this candlestick right here go higher, because this candlestick right here gave off that immediate rebalance. Right here. This candlestick right there. This one too. Boom. Oh wait, this one is the one that started it. This one right here. Immediate rebalance. Yeah, we're all rebalancing. It's going to be very hard for price to come back down, at least right now. Let's at least finish this 5-minute candlestick. Oh my Jesus, look at this right here. Oh my God, that is so beautiful. Price was so bullish on this candlestick. There's no way we don't hit take profit. There's no way. No way, Jose. Is this 10 points? Yeah, it is 10 points. Yeah. Alright, I'm pushing it to 20 points profit. So we can at least end the day guaranteed 15 points drawdown, right? Better than 35. Let's go. You're right there. Give me 7 more points. 7 little itty bitty points. 7 little itty bitty points. Oh wait, 6 points. I'm sorry. Now we're 7 points away. Come on. I know you can do it. I know you can do it. Give it to me. Come on. 53. 23, 53. 23,053. Do not retrace back to this gap here. Do not, I repeat, do not retrace back to this gap here. You'll do that, we're going to have problems. And if we don't, hey, I appreciate it. Speak to me nice, baby. Yo, to be honest, this is taking too long. This is taking forever. But that's okay. That's okay, because we're right there. Come on. Bring it on with the come on. Come on. Bring it on with the come on. Bring it on with the come on. Bring it on with the come on. It wasn't a perfect day, but we did win back our losses today. Yes, sir. Yes, freaking sir. This is 70 points. Minus 35 is 35. So let's just change that minus to a plus as soon as price hits that. Let's go, baby. You're right there, baby. Let's go. We got 15 more seconds to the close of the 5 minutes. Closing beautifully. Let's go. Let's go. Hit that. Hit that. We're up 35 points today. It's not much on the NFP. Man, that's okay. A win is a win. Better than a loss. I tell you that, man. Let's go. Boom. Beautiful. We are in profits today. Let me see what. Yeah. Would have been great to capture this without taking any losses beforehand, but I guess I was just impatient here because I have things to do today and I didn't want to be on the charts for too long, and I was just catching a quick trade. Silly me. Silly me. Silly me. Call me Billy because I'm silly. That was so retarded. I don't know why I said that. I take that back. I shouldn't have said that. But let's see here. We can look for a nice continuation. Yeah. Price can retrace back down after the close of this 15-minute candlestick. Maybe give us an immediate rebalance. Hey, and then continue higher. Hey. Nah, but that's it. I'm done. I don't